morning, Orange Pod.
Good morning, Mr.
Today we estimated quotients. Can you estimate quotients?
Yes.
All right, estimating, just a quick review. Estimating is using rounding or to see if an answer is benchmarks. A number that is easy to use, right? A benchmark number is easy to use, right?
Yes.
A single digit number, is that a benchmark?
Yes.
Yeah, single digit numbers are always benchmarks. How about numbers that end in 0 or 5? Are they benchmarks?
Yes.
Almost all the time. You guys know what T-charts are. Compatible numbers are numbers that work. They're friendly numbers. They work well together. All right, here we go. Number 5. To find an intelligent and reasonable estimate, we use rounding and benchmarks with compatible numbers. Let's see how that looks. Number 6. 65 divided by 9. Not a too terribly difficult math problem. If you actually solved it, you would get 7 2/9, right? You guys know how to solve that using all of your math. The part that I think is trickier for 5th graders is the estimating. What we want to do is we want to figure out what is our answer without showing any work and use our brain. So what we need to do is we need to change these two numbers to friendly numbers with each other. Kids were telling me, hey, let's change 65. So what's that mean? Let's change 65 so it's about 70, because that's pretty close. And let's change 9 so it's about 10. Can you do 70 divided by 10 in your brain? What is it? 7. Is your estimate pretty darn close to your actual? Yeah, that must mean we're on the right track for both. I should be on the screen, people. This one's a little trickier. We had 555 divided by 6. Well, there's 3 different ways we solve this. 1, 2, and 3. First of all, the actual side, we got 92 and 3/6. Again, you guys can do that in your sleep now, right? The estimating is a little trickier. Somebody told me, hey, Mr. Pottinger, 555 is really close to 550. 6 is really close to 5. And I know that 5 goes into 55 how many times in my brain? No, 5 goes into 55 how many times? 11. And what do I do with this leftover 0? My estimate is 110. Is 110 pretty close to 92 and 3/6? Pretty close. Somebody else said, I didn't do it that way. I changed 555 into 600. Boys, I'm up here again. This is the second time in like 30 seconds I've had to look at you. Now you're making the video much longer. So I'll start over again. I changed 555 into 600. And I said, you know what? Keep 6/6. Because do 600 and 6 work really well together?
Yeah.
What's 600 divided by 6? Is 100 close to 92 and 3/6? Yes. Here's another way. That's the way I did it. I said, you know what? I'm changing 555 into 540, and I'm keeping 6/6. Because 6 goes into 54 how many times? 9. And then do I add on my 0 and I get 90, right?
Yes.
My estimate was 90, and it's even closer to 92 and 3/6. Yes?
Yes.
All right, here is the best estimates to use what kind of numbers again? This one's a little bit trickier. We're using bigger numbers, but we just did this one together. Check it out. And then again, problems like this, 90 divided by 9, 900 divided by 10, 9,000 divided by 10. If we just take part of the bigger number and find a divisor that fits into it easily, it makes our life so much easier mathematically. We good?
Yes.